5 ways to take control of your real estate business today. Do you want to keep trading your time for income or leveraging your past efforts for your future business? Now, time is the most valuable thing that we have and we'll never get it back again. So do you want to keep trading your time and doing the same thing over and over and over again, kind of like you're on a hamster wheel? Or do you want to take control of your future successes and do you want to have a different outcome in the future? If you do want to have a different outcome and you want to get off the hamster wheel and you want to be able to leverage your past efforts for your future successes, we're going to give you 5 reasons how to do this. And if you stay into the end, we're going to give you some high value action items that you can take, apply to your business today. My name is Norman Lloyd Kinsey III. I'm your CEO and co-founder of the #1 marketing and positioning agency. We've helped thousands of agents all across the country, just like you, grow and scale their real estate business. So that way you can leverage your past efforts for your future successes. It's called passive marketing or passive prospecting. So let's go ahead and get into it now. Number 1 is going to be think about what you say over and over and over again to your clients. That can be turned into a video, and also your future clients could be watching that video so you can break the cycle and you can actually become free. Because at the end of the day, that's what it is. It's a cycle if you're saying the same things over and over again and you just haven't thought about it that way. So maybe have a little more observation to what you're saying over and over again that potentially could turn into a video and could be an automation of the process of your business. All right, number 2, stop thinking about your business from the perspective of an employee and start thinking about your business and from the perspective of what can be automated to free up your time. So that way you can have standard operating procedures, SOPs, key performance indicators, KPIs, so you can focus on income producing activities, okay? You can leverage video and also forms to automate that process. And then from there, before your buyer and or seller meets with you, you can send them a form to fill out, you can send them a video to fill out, and they can actually be able to get familiar with your process before working with you. So by the time they actually do work with you, they actually get to know, like, and trust you, and also know what the process looks like when working with you. All right, okay. Number 3, this process can be done on the back end as well. So after you go through and have a standard procedure and you have standard KPIs, key performance indicators, you have videos and forms that you could fill out. You can also use these forms for the back end side of things for your past clients. After you have a buyer that buys a home or a seller that sells their home and you want to keep up with them to see how they're doing, what you could do is that they don't relocate out of your area and they stay within your community. You could be filming area content about schools and parks and restaurants and all the things in your specific area to be adding additional value to be passively marketing and prospecting to your past clients, because now they have a new restaurant to try out or they have a new park to check out, and you literally can just have the same process of the forms and the videos for the front end you could have on the back end to just be able to add additional value to your past clients. All right, so number 4, after you have everything set up and it becomes easier to understand how the standard procedure works with your business because you have the forms and the videos, imagine you being able to bring on a team member, right? So you want to have a buyer specialist, a selling specialist, and you have these forms and you have these videos and you have these standard operating procedures. Your actual agents that you bring in under your team, you can plug them into your process so that way they know specifically how that works. So for an example, if you're onboarding a new agent to your team, I want you to watch the playlist under my YouTube channel of these videos for here and these videos for here. And I want you to fill out these forms because this is the process that I put every buyer and seller through. So we have a standard operating procedure, and eventually you're gonna have the same thing within our business. Okay, so that's number 4. So that helps you be able to leverage those past efforts for future successes when scaling and growing a team. And then number 5, if you don't do any of the things that I just talked about in this video, then you're basically just gonna be a part of the stats, which state as such. 90% of the business is done by the top 10% of real estate professionals. So if you don't do any of these standard operating procedures and you're on that hamster wheel over and over and over again, you're gonna be like the 90% of agents out there that only do 10% of the business. I truly believe you're watching this video for a reason, and now is the time for you to grow and scale your real estate business. If you truly believe that, and you found value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up, okay? I want you to comment below with what you learned, or 1 out of 5, what was the biggest takeaway, okay? I want you to subscribe, and when you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified for new videos coming out every Tuesday and Thursday, as we're gonna be giving you additional massive value to help you scale your real estate business, okay? So do those action items right now because you're on the platform of YouTube. The same thing that you're gonna wanna tell your future clients if you also decide to get on YouTube. And then what I wanna do is I wanna offer you a strategy session. So there's gonna be a strategy questionnaire form down below for you to fill out. I want you to fill out that form down below. After you fill out that form, then you're gonna go ahead and set up a strategy session with us here at Liftoff Agent to go deeply into the subject matter of what we just talked about. And you could even bring up this video to our staff so we can make sure that we're in line with what you want to do, because we can help you with this whole entire process. Whether it's editing the video, giving you the scripts, doing the thumbnail, writing the copy, putting it onto your YouTube channel and your website and your social media, we do all of that as your single solution, one point of contact. So thanks so much for watching today's video, and we will see you on the next one as we broke down our very first video, which was going to be, the very first video was the 5 reasons why YouTube is what's next for your real estate business. And so now we've already done the 4 reasons why you don't want to make the phone calls, cold calls, door knocking, mailers. Now we just went into the 5 reasons why you would want to start taking control of your real estate business today. And the next video is going to be, you can film video content around the process. So we're going to go deeper into how you can film video content in the process of growing your real estate business. Thanks so much. Appreciate you. And we'll see you on the next one.